2023 has been a roller coaster ride for developers as there were lots of layoffs or tough to sustain the job. It is important to know key points to get hired quickly, especially in tough markets. As we have been dealing in the field of front-end and full-stack training and recruitment for almost 2 decades, let us give you some basic guidelines. To begin with, the very first point, the resume. There are 2 points we would like to share with you regarding the resume. The resume building techniques. While your resume might be good, it might not be specifically tailored to each job you apply for. And if you keep on changing it with variety of technologies, you might be in trouble. So fix your tech expertise, but try to make it wide enough to cover at least full stack range, which includes front-end development, server-side programming, and database knowledge. The second point is clarity and size of the resume. Now, does your resume clearly showcase your achievements and value proposition? Important point. Next is, does it cover main keywords which an interviewer searches for? And to showcase, do use strong words, quantify your accomplishments, but still keep it concise, ideally 1 to 2 pages. The next thing is the interview skills. Now, technical skills with hands-on is the key to success in any interview. You must know the ins and outs of development, right from UX design to deployment. Be well aware of all the phases and must practice again and again to have good hands-on. Practice makes everyone perfect. Communication skills. If you are not excellent in communication, it's okay, but do make sure that you pass the message properly with correct words. Practice in front of the mirror to speak, of course without laughing if you can manage. Professionalism. You need to dress appropriately. You have to arrive on time and maintain a positive and enthusiastic attitude throughout the interview. Apart from resume and the interview skills, there are other factors like competition. You need to understand that. The tech job market can be quite competitive, especially for web developer roles. Consider networking with professionals in your field and attending industry events to increase your visibility. AnaghTech can be a great help for you to get the job quickly in the US market in such cases. Be prepared for small upgrades. Sometimes a small framework knowledge upgrade may remove a hindrance for your interview. So be prepared to upgrade for it. For example, you know Bootstrap, but somebody needs Tailwind. So just prepare it quickly for the interview. And here are some additional tips you can do. So ask for feedback from recruiters or interviewers if you have been rejected. This can help you identify areas for improvement. Next is the mock interview. So practice your interview skills with friends, colleagues, or career counselors. This will help you build confidence and answer questions more effectively. Another great resource is join us on training.anachtech.com for practicing interviews and preparing yourself for technical intricacies. You need to join the community, connect with other web developers online or in person. Sharing experiences and advice can be helpful and motivating. You can register on training.anachtech.com to stay updated in the field of mean and merge tech development as we continuously add new courses and question banks. Stay tuned for more. We wish you all the best for 2024.